is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. Today we got a super lit video for you guys. We are taking my 2021 Charger Redeye to get a new exhaust. I have no idea what I'm gonna do when it comes to exhaust. I had a few ideas in mind, but they all didn't end up working out. I'm gonna talk to you guys more about that in the car, but we are running super late and we gotta get out of here. So we got my TRX right here. We got my Charger Redeye. If you guys have not watched the video where I wrapped it, you definitely gotta watch that video. I go into detail of how we wrapped it and all the challenges we had to go through. Trust me, you do not wanna miss it. One more thing, my Challenger Redeye is not here and I don't want you guys to trip up about that. It's actually in the shop right now, just chilling because I couldn't find anyone to drive it back when I went to pick this up. So that'll be back. Maybe today we'll go pick it up, maybe tomorrow, but it'll be in the garage at least by tomorrow. So now it's time to start the Charger. All right, quick fill up. So there goes a full tank of 93, not bad. That's why I like to come to Costco because it's only $2.70. And I am not complaining of a $40 fill up because my TRX is double that. And the main reason is because I have a 30-gallon tank. So obviously it needs more fuel. It is pretty quick for being stock, I'm not gonna lie, but you know how it goes on this channel. Nothing ever remains stock. And well, with that being said, we are dropping this car off in 2 days to get modded. The performance mods are finally going to begin and I am just so excited. So leave a like if you are as excited as I am to get this thing modified. All right guys, we're gonna get it in there. This is the last time you will hear the stock exhaust. I just can't get over this green. It reminds me of like the Lamborghini green. Look how good it looks. And I know, we gotta get wider tires for the back. The factory ones are 305s, but I just want that fat, wide look. And I cannot wait to show you guys the new exhaust tips we got for this car. Woo. Look at these ugly exhaust tips. Hey, rev it up. Yup, that's stock. And we're about to make it a whole lot louder. So coming into here, I had no idea what I was gonna do to my exhaust, and I think I have an idea. I do not want to do a mid-muffle delete just because everyone does that. It's pretty annoying because all these Hellcats all sound the same. So we're gonna do something different, something I've always pretty much done with all my cars. I never really did a mid-muffle delete on any of the Hellcats I've ever owned just because it's too basic. So let me show you guys what I'm gonna do. So most people just cut the mufflers off, but we're not gonna be doing that. We're gonna come all the way here, and these are the cats. We're gonna be cutting the cats and simply putting just a pipe all the way there. And usually I would put mid pipes, but the company that makes these mid pipes can no longer make them because California sucks. Their emission laws don't allow them to make that anymore. And yeah, I tried my best to find some good catless mid pipes for the car, but I couldn't. So another thing we're gonna change are these tips. They are way too small. I think they're like 4-inch tips. We're gonna go with something bigger and nicer, and here is what we're going with. These are 5-inch tips and they are gloss black. And the funny thing is, about a year and a half ago, I came to TJ with a friend of mine, K-Bands. I don't know if you guys know who he is. And we came here to get some exhaust work to his car. And TJ was just finally starting to offer the 5-inch tips. And I seen them, I'm like, wow, these are awesome. Why don't you install them on K-Bands? K-Bands was a little iffy, but I finally talked him into doing it. And ever since then, you guys don't even know how many 5-inch tips I've sold TJ. Literally everyone started copying K-Bands and started buying them, and everyone literally came here. Everyone from Michigan came to TJ and had him install the 5-inch tips. So I was selling these 5-inch tips for TJ way before I even installed them on my own car. So TJ also has to make this hole so we could get the sensor in for the cats.
This basically spaces the O2 sensor outside of the pipe, and which tricks the check engine light from thinking the cat is actually working because it's not reading the proper flow. It's reading that little pocket of air. outside of the pipe.
Basically, this will tell the car that the cats are in the car, so the check engine light shouldn't come on. All right, it is coming down, and it is all done. TJ's about to hop in there and turn it on for us. I can't get over how beautiful this green is. Woo! That sounds good. He's gonna rev it up for us now. Damn, that sounds so good. And she's coming home. Wow, it sounds so good, and the idle sounds so good. I'm gonna show you guys those tips in a second. Look at this. So bright. Wow, I'm so happy with the way I did it. Guys, make sure to hit up TJ. I'm gonna put his Instagram over here. Make sure to follow him and hit him up if you need anything done to your exhaust. All right, let's get in here. Man, it sounds so good. I'm happy. I hope you guys are happy as well. So far we have no check engine light. I don't think we're gonna have it, and again, if we will, I'm sure my tuner would help me get rid of it because this car is getting tuned in literally a few days. So let's go out and do some pulls. I want to hear the new exhaust. All right, it's time for a pull. And it pops a little bit. And you can still hear the whine. That is the main reason I didn't want to make my car too loud, is because the supercharger whine sounds so good, and it's like violin, and it's music to my ears, and I don't ever want to have to not hear it, you know, because once you make your exhaust so loud, you won't be able to hear it as much. So I think it's time to do maybe another pull. This is how you properly enter a highway. And then we got traffic. Alright, so traffic basically got in the way of that pull. I think I found the problem. Alright, now we could do another pull. This thing is so fast, and I cannot wait until we modify it. It's gonna get a lot faster than this. And we have made it to the shop. See it right there. Busy, busy day out here. It's literally a traffic jam. That's how many cars come to MC Whips. So the reason we're at the shop is because my Challenger, like I told you guys in the beginning of the video, is just chilling up here because I wasn't able to pick it up. And we're gonna finally take it home. And here's the Redeye, just chilling in the corner. I don't know if you guys watched the video, but I had my wheels painted satin black. They were like charcoal gray before, and it looks a lot better this way. I think it's time to finally start it and get it out of here.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Nick!
Peace out.
All right, let's get out of here. Whew, now both cars are green. We got this one and we got that one. We're also super low on E, so you know what that means. We gotta stop at the gas station. All right, we're here. What up, baby?
Hey, I'm a mechanic now.
Hey.
I'm working on my car.
You're not a mechanic. It looks good though.
Is that the new rat?
Duh. All right, let's get some corn in here. So Nathan has to always mess with all my
I
cars.
got bad luck in Chargers, but...
Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that when you go
Let me
into
rev it, let me rev it.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. One more time. I also got a custom plate for the Charger. I want you guys all to comment down below and leave your guesses. You guys are gonna die at this one. It's gonna be even funnier than that one. All right, let's get in here.
Hey,
Woo.
right behind me. Hey, this looks like a Fast and the Furious scene.
It is.
It is.
Except we're not fast. We're just furious. Look at that thing. It's so bright. So we're back home and Zach is gonna dunk. Huh. All right, guys, so we got all the cars reunited with each other. We got the TRX right here. We got my Charger Redeye, the Challenger Redeye, the Gladiator that doesn't get driven as much because of, I mean, look what we got here. Why would anyone drive the Gladiator? I drive it like at nighttime and cruise, and you know, when I'm not driving these because these are loud and obnoxious, and you know, I don't always want to drive these, so you know, that serves its purpose.